Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and smash that subscribe button. Well, today on Ron's Keto Cafe, we're going to be doing a whole new playlist. Every day, we're going to be making Chaffles, and we post a new recipe every day. Sometimes we'll post 2 recipes, or 3 or 4, but just keep watching for the latest updates. That's why you need to be subscribed to the channel to get the latest updates. Now, Chaffles are great for low-carb keto, or if you're just trying to lose weight, or so you're going to need a mini dash maker, and I happen to have one that actually is a mini dash maker, and I happen to have one that does 4 at once, and I'll be using both of those. And I also have this. I bought this, I haven't even opened it up yet. It's a mini maker, it's called My Mini, okay? And that's, you can use that also. And all you do is you warm it up, and then when the light goes off, and after it's warmed up, be careful, it is hot. We'll whisk a couple of eggs, and we'll put a slice of cheese on the top, and then after it melts for a couple of seconds, we'll put the egg mixture over that, and then put another slice of cheese, and we'll close the lid. And after the light goes out, it'll be ready for us to have a sandwich. And we'll be doing a couple of different ones, and from time to time, like I said, every other day we'll do a series of them, so you can just get a good idea on different variety of Chaffles you can make instead of just a plain old boring just egg sandwich. And so anyways, without further ado, let's go right into the recipes, and hope you enjoy the new segment I have on the channel. And if I find any YouTube links that I got the particular recipe from, I'll have the link up there somewhere or down there in the show more. But anyways, hope you have an amazing day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and again, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's get going. So you need 2 eggs, and then we're going to whisk them really quick, as you can see in the video, and they happen to speed up the video to move the process along. And in the upcoming segment there, now that the eggs are all fully incorporated, we're going to get the mini dash going. And then be careful, because once it heats up, it will be hot. And I'm going to take 1 slice of ultra thin cheese from Sargianto, and over the thumbnail, this is the kind of cheese that I picked up, and it can be bought almost anywhere. And then just take a little bit of egg mixture, pour it over the top of the cheese, and kind of like get it as even as you can without not making too much of a mess. And that's why you got the paper plate there, so in case I do make a mess, the paper plate will be less easier for us to clean. And then you just pop the cheese over the top of that, close the lid, and 3.5 minutes later you have easy peasy Chaffle. And again, hope you enjoyed this video, and from this point on, let's just have music going without all the jibber jabber, and if you just follow the process along, you'll be fine. And this ended up making 4 Chaffles, by the way, and what I did at the end of the video, I put them in a Ziploc bag and popped them into the freezer so I can have them for a future snack. So if I want hamburgers or something like that, I have them already pre-made. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. So I forgot to mention at the end of the last segment over here that I was talking about. So when we were completed, we decided to take some paper towel, put it over the top, and close the lid, and then that cleaned it up really well. And I ended up getting 4 out of these, and you can see towards the end here, I put it in a Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer so I can have for later on. And these came out really, really good. The whole process took around 12 minutes for the 4 Chaffles. And 2 eggs made 4 Chaffles, by the way, and 8 slices of cheese. Have a great day. Bye.